This is the process of us making a 360-degree virtual tour. Now every second that's going by in the top right there is 60 seconds worth, so there's quite a bit that goes into it. And the reason I like these is that you get to see up, down, left and right everywhere from the safety of your own screens before going to a viewing. So the example we put together here, Park Cottages, just shooting through it now, for us it just allows to keep viewing numbers down, because we know not everybody wants to go to a property they know may not suit them, but it also allows us to get to those areas that normal property photography just wouldn't do, partly because you don't necessarily want to show it off. But we're in the annex here that you can see now, and as I zoom slightly, or look up I should say, this is the mezzanine area. Not something you'd normally photo, but something we really want our tenants to be able to see and see if it would work for them. So we try to do this with every property that we have available. Doesn't always work, of course, if it's tenanted. It's the level of marketing we try and do as a standard. If you have any property inquiries from something you want to rent or buy from us, or have a property available, get in touch and I'm sure we can help.